How to remove editor from Twitch channel. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove editor from your Twitch channel. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Twitch account, just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and amongst the options displayed, select Creator Dashboard. So by selecting Creator Dashboard, you'll be taken to your channels page. Move to the left side of the screen, then click on Community, select Roles Manager, and then you'll be taken to the page where you see the roles that you've added, including the usernames that you've added for these roles. So once you can see this, the next option will be for you to select the username, locate the person you want to remove from the list, click on the person, then by the right side of the screen you see a pencil icon next to the person's name. Click on that, and that particular person will be removed from your Twitch account as an editor. So this is how you can remove editor on Twitch account. So ensure you are careful so that in case you added as an editor, you will not lose your position. And then for your own account, you can remove toxic people and people that are not making your work visible. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.